Okay, I'm going to what's called Bum Pass Hell. The parking lot was full, it's very small, but I found a spot on the side of the road. Hopefully that's okay, because that's what I'm doing. This place, I don't really know what to expect, but it seems interesting. There's Lake Helen that I went in yesterday and almost froze to death. It looks very blue this morning. So it says it's about a 30-minute hike one way, so an hour total. And for some reason I thought it would be shorter. I don't know why I thought that. There's absolutely no reason why I should have thought that. But I didn't bring any water with me, even though it says bring plenty of water. I'm sure it'll be okay. I've walked many hour-long hikes without water and I was okay. We got a lot of shade and it's pretty cool out. I wouldn't recommend not bringing water, but that's what I'm doing today. There's still snow on the ground too. Huh. So apparently this is where the heat from the lava in the earth is coming out of the ground, since we're on volcanic land. Well, look at that. I could have started the trail where I parked. Didn't even know it. Okay, so I'm gonna stop for water. I think that would be the smart thing to do. I didn't want to go all the way back just to get water, but now that I'm here, I'll get it. All right, back to the trail. I see something up ahead. Something steaming. Whoa. I love all that contrast of the oranges and blues. The complementary colors. It's beautiful. I can already smell the sulfur from here. We're getting close. I'm so excited. Wow. This is cool. So there's hot magma and hot water below the ground where we're walking, and the steam is where the heat is coming through the ground. And it's very sulfuric. It's very interesting. It's wild. It's like we're on another planet. That looks crazy. Oh my word. This is out of sight. You can see where sometimes it's a little fuller than that. That was really cool, y'all. I've never seen anything like that. Boiling water on the ground, steam coming from the ground, and all those beautiful colors. A wise man was talking about how it looks different at every season of the year. And usually there's supposed to be snow all around at this time, but it's been so hot that there's not. And it's more yellow because it's so dry that the sulfur crystals dry up and turn that yellow color. I also saw a deer walking among the trees over there, but I didn't get my camera out fast enough to film it. You'll just have to take my word for it. Alright, took a break, got cooled down, ate a bit, and refilled my water bottle. Now we're gonna hike the top of Lassen Peak, which is a volcano. So this volcano was created 27,000 years ago, and it last erupted in 1914, not that long ago. It's a 2,000-foot hike to the top. It seems pretty epic, but we'll see if we make it. What a beautiful view so far. The wind is getting cooler as we ascend, but in the sun it's quite hot. But there are a few shady spots along the way to take a break, so that's nice. It's hard to tell how far we are from the top, but maybe halfway? Almost to the top. I can see it. So what's cool about this park is there are 4 different types of volcanic formations in the world, and all 4 can be found in this park. In fact, standing right here, you can see all 4 of them. So we finally made it to the top of the volcano. I guess this is around where it erupted. Pretty cool. This is the very top of the volcano. And behind me is some rocks that used to be magma. This is the view from the top. That's the lake where I was yesterday. Right now I'm gonna go back down.
Not too cold for you?
Nope, working it up. I can see Van. This is the biggest thing in the parking lot. Now I'm in Redwood National and State Park, the world's tallest trees. I saw a bear. Oh, it's so big. Wow. Wow.